Hey everyone, my name's Amy. I'm one of your supermarket registered dietitians, and today we have a fabulous recipe that can be made for an easy weeknight dinner in 30 minutes or less. Plus, as you're gearing up for the new year, a lot of you guys are making different changes with physical activity, diet, and everything else. So this is a perfect recipe to get a little bit more veggies on your plate, and I promise it'll be a big family favorite. Today we are making our sweet Thai chili lettuce wraps. Like I said, they're extremely easy, under 30 minutes, so for all of you guys who have busy families, it's a perfect option. Plus, it's great when you can save the leftovers for a nice, easy lunch for the next day for work. So it's really got everything going for it. So we're gonna start out today by just heading over to the stove. So we're gonna start our sweet Thai chili lettuce wraps with just browning our ground turkey. So we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here, about a tablespoon. And then 1 pound of ground turkey. If you wanted to use ground beef, you could. So once your turkey is fully cooked and nice and brown, we're just gonna set it off to the side in a bowl, and we're gonna use the same pan to get the rest of our ingredients going. So we're just gonna start again with just a little bit of olive oil, add in our onions, minced garlic, some ginger, fresh ginger, and then some of our water chestnuts. And we're gonna let these cook for about 3 or 4 minutes until the onions are nice and translucent. So once your onions and garlic, water chestnuts, ginger, once that's all kind of started to cook, we're actually going to add back in the ground turkey. And then we are going to add in our sweet Thai chili sauce. You can always add more later. And then I'm just going to use about 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. This is a good substitution for soy sauce. And then we'll just let this cook for just a little bit to heat all the way through. Really all we have left to do is to assemble the lettuce wraps. So we are gonna go ahead and start. I used butter lettuce. You can go ahead and use romaine, other green leafy lettuce that you find. A lot of the times you can just use whatever you have on hand. So that can be a good option too. So I like the butter lettuce just because of the nice size. So we're gonna just go ahead and assemble these. Pour some of the ground turkey mixture in there. And we are just going to top with few shredded carrots, green onions, and then just a little bit of sesame seeds. And if you wanted to add more sauce, you definitely could, but they're nice and easy to make. You guys can find this recipe along with all of our other Dietitian's Choice recipes on celebratemore.com/dietitians. Happy New Year, everyone.